Are you looking for a fragrance that can last for days, smells gorgeous, and is very affordable? Then this video is for you. Get your debit card, your credit card, your Apple Pay, GPay, Google Pay ready for this banger. Because what you are going to discover now is something really amazing. So what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. You're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So in this video, I'm going to show you a banger, a very underrated perfume recently launched from the house of Paris Corner, and unfortunately this perfume didn't got the hype it deserved. And the reason behind that can be maybe the bad presentation, the tacky packaging, and very, I can say, bad kind of bottle here. But the juice is literally amazing. And here I'm talking about none other than ZAHI from the house of Paris Corner. And this is a very recent launch from the house of Paris Corner. And this is something just wow. If you are a guy who want to smell gorgeous, and even if you're a girl who want to smell beautiful, and you are tight on budget, you want something very affordable with amazing performance, then this is the answer, ZAHI. So let's start the review, and we'll start with the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in this kind of box. This is a simple paper box, nothing fancy here. You can see this UV spotting, the blue waves with some golden border around it, the name of the perfume ZAHI, logo of Paris Corner on the top, some ingredient details in the back, batch code, manufacturing date in the bottom. So one more thing, this perfume is out of stock right now, but it's coming back very soon. And this one sold out like that because this one smells really good. And the people who bought this perfume are not influencers, they are the real buyers, the real customers. Luckily, I got a bottle from the house of Paris Corner, and you guys are lucky enough that I'm here to introduce you to this beautiful scent. So let's start our review. So you'll get this perfume in this simple kind of box. And now let me show you the bottle. And here you go. And the bottle looks, I don't know, I don't want to say something bad, but this is literally not a bottle of good standards. It's very tacky. You can see this plate here is plastic. Even here, this part is golden, but it's made of plastic. The design is not working very well, and especially this cap, the color of the bottle, everything is not in place. Really sorry, Paris Corner, but it is what it is. But the fragrance is just wow. It smells really very nice. So this is the presentation. You can see the design, the bottle, the gradient, and everything here. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So the official notes breakdown of this perfume is: in the top you will get pear and apple, in the middle you will get vanilla, jasmine, and rose, and then in the base you will get amber, drywood, and patchouli. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now let me explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per Fragrantica, I saw a lot of comments where people said that this is a clone of Swiss Arabian's Casablanca. I got an official sample here. I got a full bottle of Casablanca in the beginning of my YouTube channel. I bought it, I think, in 2019 from the store of Swiss Arabian. At that time, it was not very expensive. It was under 100 dirham, or I think 110 or 20, something like that. I exactly don't remember the price right now, but it was not very expensive. But nowadays, I think it's near to 200 dirhams or something. So this is the official vial, because my bottle is gone because one of my cousin took it from me, and I was not able to stop him because he's my cousin brother. So, but I got the official vial, so I can tell you that how close are they and what's the inspiration behind this perfume. So I got you the notes breakdown, and now let's see that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, let me tell you that ZAHI is not an exact alternative or clone of Casablanca, but ZAHI is a hybrid twist of Casablanca and Frederic Mall's Acne Studio. Casablanca moves more towards that soft, spicy amber side with some florals. On the other hand, ZAHI moves more towards aldehydes, that sweet fruits, and towards that musky side. So here, this one opens with a beautiful note of pear and green apple and vanilla. So this one smells really amazing. This is fresh, it's bright, it's going to lift your mood. Yes, it's sweet, but it's not very thick or sickening sweet. It's very nice. This one is on the fresher side. So it's like fruity, fresh, and sweet kind of fragrance here with a lot of aldehydes. So this one is going to give you very nice soapiness in a very good way, not in a bad way. Because some perfumes are going to give you that exact soapy kind of feel. They smell like a soap. But here, no, this is not going to give you the realistic soap kind of feel. But yes, you will get that little bit of soapiness here, that fresh out of the shower kind of feel. And then this is a linear kind of scent. It's not going to change a lot. So it's going to stay very similar from start till end, but definitely few things will become a little bit weaker, and then a few things are going to stay with you till end, and then some base notes are going to become a little bit more prominent in the dry down. So here in the dry down, this one becomes like soft, woody and musky kind of scent. In the woods, something very similar between ZAHI and Casablanca is the note of sweet honeyed amber wood. You will get the same feeling in Swiss Arabian Wajd. You will get that same kind of vibe in Swiss Arabian's Gharam in Casablanca. So the same thing goes in ZAHI. You will get that soft, creamy, honeyed kind of note, which is amber wood, an imaginary note. It's a molecule, it's not something natural, but this is going to give you that sweet, woody kind of feel here. And then, yeah, those soapy aldehydes, fruits, and some florals. In the florals, jasmine is the most prominent thing here in this perfume. Yeah, so this is how this perfume actually smells. It's fresh, it's playful, it's youthful, a banger for young people especially. There is no age barrier for this perfume, anyone can use it, but especially for the young people, this is going to work very well. So this was about the fragrance and about the inspiration behind this perfume. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So first of all, performance. Performance wise, 20 out of 10. The lasting of this perfume is 2 days. 2 days, okay? And the projection is 1 day. Whenever you're going to move here and there, whenever you're going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it easily. And even you will be smelling those beautiful whiffs all over the day. So performance 20 on 10, a nuclear projection, nuclear scent, a real beast. For the gender, purely unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can wear it. For the age group, best for youngsters, but there is no age barrier. Anyone can use it in any age. But if you are young, you are around the age of like 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, you will be loving it. For the scenario, any kind of scenario, for the weather, any weather, winters, summers, you can use this in any kind of scenario. It will work like nothing else. Even in your gym and in your sports activities, you can rock this perfume easily. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume with this presentation, and the quantity you will get here is 85 ml Eau de Parfum concentration. They haven't mentioned it anywhere, but I think it's Eau de Parfum. Yeah, it's Eau de Parfum concentration. And the price here is just 60 UAE dirhams. For 60 UAE dirhams, this one is a banger, something really you should check out. Just ignore the bottle, but the juice, the quality of juice, the smell, the fragrance is just wow. So if you like these kind of scents, fresh, sweet, fruity, musky, soapy, with bombastic performance, then ZAHI is the answer. So this was my review about this beautiful scent. I hope you liked it. So I'm going to catch you in my another review of some other great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.